Hey there, winter lovers! Are you ready to build the ultimate snowman? I'm here to show you how to build a snowman like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a flat spot and moist, sturdy snow. It's super important to pick the right location. Find a flat and shady spot to build your snowman. Avoid direct sunlight if you can to prevent melting. You'll need snow that's easily packable. If it's too fluffy or powdery, it'll just fall apart. Test the snow by pressing it into a ball. If it holds together, you're good to go. Step 2. Roll the bottom section of your snowman. Start by packing together a small snowball with your hands. Then roll it on the ground to gather more snow. Keep rolling until you've got a big sturdy base. Step 3. Build the middle section of your snowman. Just like step 2, pack together a small snowball. Roll it around to gather more snow, but make sure it's smaller than the base. This will be the middle section of your snowman. Step 4. Build your snowman's head. Now let's finish your snowman by building its head. Pack together a third and final ball of snow. Roll it around to add width. The head should be the smallest of the 3 snowballs. Carefully place it on top of the middle section. Step 5. Accessorize your snowman. This is the fun part. Gather supplies to create a nose, eyes, mouth and arms. The traditional snowman has a carrot for a nose, button eyes, sticks for arms and pebbles for a mouth. Don't forget the top hat, scarf and pipe. Get creative and make it your own. And there you have it, folks. Your very own pro-level snowman. But wait, did you know about the crazy snowman tradition in Zurich, Switzerland? Every year since 1818, they celebrate the start of spring by blowing up a snowman. This holiday is called Sechseläuten. On the 3rd Monday of April, they parade a cotton snowman named the Böögg through the town. He's stuffed with dynamite and placed on a huge pile of scrap wood. The bells of the Church of St. Peter chime 6 times, signaling the end of winter. Then, kaboom! The snowman is blown up and winter is officially over. They believe the shorter the combustion, the longer the summer will be. So whether you're celebrating winter or saying goodbye to it, building a snowman is always a blast. If you loved this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time and happy snowman building. Love this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friend at Cray Star Flavor King.